Hello to all traders and welcome back to another video brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at stocks today after the earnings season keeps on giving for a lot of companies, but not for Microsoft and Alphabet, as yesterday after extended trading their share price dropped by just under 7% after not only missing their earnings beat but also the projection for 2023 and going ahead even further than that as well. So let's look at Microsoft's numbers first of all today. So earnings came in at $2.35 per share versus $2.30 and revenue came up just above 50 billion, and it was expected that it was just going to be under 50 billion. So quite good numbers there, but what's looking likely that it's going to have softer cloud revenue than expected in the first quarter of 2023. So this actually had a slight decline in share price as well. Alphabet wasn't really too far off the mark, as I said, 7% drop for them as well, and they're actually decreasing their headcount growth as well after revenue at YouTube declined. So this is just something that is bringing a lot of these big firms into the attention of a lot of traders in the next few days. We've got Meta, we've got Visa, Coca-Cola, and also Apple and some other big corporations as well, making up the big indices in America. So let's see what can happen and what the opportunities are for the next few trading sessions. We'll start on Google first of all today. So looking on Google, or Alphabet, can you say, Google's parent company, we're just seeing now moving out slightly of this bearish trend. But as you can see here, the last few trading sessions have been quite significant for Alphabet. But as you can see, with this 7% drop in price action, we're now looking likely that we're going to start seeing another move low and these possible fresh lows here. Could there be a double bottom or triple bottom pretty much, or will we see another move to the upside? Well, the Ichimoku Cloud assistance of this indicator is looking like it's going to start moving lower, and we're going to have a bit of a resistance at that particular area. We're looking at divergences as well on the RSI and MACD, a few oscillators. Just got the RSI up today only because I don't want to get it too complicated on the chart, but we are seeing now possibly another leg to the downside. If we bring it out to the 4-hour chart as well, we are seeing more of a significant move. Just bring it so it's a little bit more clear. So as I can see here, the good thing here, the positive thing is that for bulls especially, the prices were out of the top border of the Ichimoku cloud. So we've broken through this big engulfment cloud. We are expected to start moving lower when the markets do open. However, can we get some kind of support here and then another leg higher? Because obviously earnings seasons and all these other big fundamental news events for companies do have a bit of a retracement for price action. However, it can just be a short retracement and we can start moving back in the same direction as we were doing before the news, and in this case moving back up higher. If we didn't have earnings season, I'll be saying to you now we possibly should be looking at another test at this particular peak for a full V-shaped recovery. Now though, we're looking at a slight correction and then possibly another move higher. So just see how big that correction will be when the markets do open later on today. Microsoft as well, we're just now looking to see, I'll put it on the daily chart, because we were in this bearish channel for quite a long time. And as you can see here, we did actually move out of it for just a significant part, but we fell back into it quite significantly. And what you can see here is with the Alphabet, moving 3 fresh bullish candles for the last 3 sessions. However, having some heavy resistance at the top line of this channel. So we do expect another leg lower. But what's more significant is it might just be a short correction and then we could get prices being a bit more buoyant. We're seeing here at the moment this was a hidden bearish divergence which brought prices lower. And then we're seeing a small bullish divergence here, which could actually start propelling prices even further. Obviously, we've had that propelment. However, we're just seeing if that's going to have any more indication, any more satisfaction for bulls in this next few sessions until the end of the trading week. Now, I just want to focus your attention just briefly on the 4-hour chart. As I said, a little bit like my Google or Alphabet prices, we are seeing this bullish move to the upside. We've broken the top border of the Ichimoku cloud, which means we are now seeing possibly another slight correction when the market opens, but then we can see another move higher and then possibly test these recent peaks that we saw not so long ago. So this is what I'll be looking for in the next few trading sessions. If we can just basically brush off the negative news of this 7% drop and then start moving higher in the near term as well. So let me know what you think about the stocks this week, and I'll get back to you at the same time to see what's going to happen for the rest of the trading week. So until then, have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.